There you go. KDK don't want to let you buy the spare parts, so I repair it with bearing $9.
Hello, good day everybody. So today's I'm going to oh my god, my cat. It's so funny. Look at how she sleeps. Huh? Why she sleep like that? Did you see the cat? So sorry, my house a little bit messy. I'm going to camping. Okay. We are going to talk about KDK fan. I spent $300 to buy the ceiling fan, which I have removed yesterday. Right, it have a ringing sound. I don't know, is that the right word? It keep on. There is a mouse inside the ceiling fans. So I called up KDK. I asked for. I let the technician hear the sound. They said most probably is the bearing problem. Right, and I asked for a spare part. They told me, sorry, we don't have a spare parts. This is 10 years old fans. You should buy a new fan. So my fan is running properly without any issue except having some sound. And then they tell me to go and buy a new fan instead of giving me some solutions, which I feel very indignant because the fan, most probably they are using all the same spare parts. I'm not talking about the motor or electronic things, but these are mechanical things, alright? The bearing, so every ceiling fans they will have it, and they should keep a spare parts for that, but they told me they don't have a spare parts. Then I asked them, can you tell me what type of bearings they are using so that I can go and buy the bearings and get it repaired. They didn't tell me anything, and they asked me to buy a new fan. So I called up a distributor in Singapore to ask them whether they have repair guys to repair the things. Again, same thing, the distributor also asked me to buy a new fan. My fan is turning, why you ask me to buy a new fan? So being a very resourceful guy like me, I refused to be defeated. So I called up Malaysia as well. So again, they gave me the same answer, but they gave me an ultimatum. They say, I asked them what bearing and what parts is being used in this fan. They told me this is KDK confidential information. I cannot reveal to you. It means they don't want to let you go and repair their fans. They want to make you buy a new ceiling fan, right? So I'm very upset. So I spent hours checking information. You couldn't get it. So I watched some YouTube videos and I saw some people repairing it. So the guy also it's not the same models, but the guy is repairing it. So I asked him what bearing is being used in this KDK fan. So they tell me it's 6302 on a YouTube channel. They reply me. So when I remove my ceiling fan, it is the same number, 6302. Right, I dig out these two ceiling, these two bearings, without any proper tools. So you see all the knockings. So this is 6302 Z bearing, right? So we dig out. Then this morning I go to any of the hardware shop nearby me. So I buy this brand Koyo, Japanese brand. it says made in Japan. I don't know whether it's true or not, but most of the time they will say made in Japan. So give them benefit of doubt. So this is the bearing. How much it cost you? I paid this one $4. I called two spare part shops, not spare part shop, bearing shop specialized in selling ball bearings. International bearings quoted me $350, but I just want to go to the nearby my place and I buy one. This is $4. Bearing 63 right, 6203. There you go, Z, right? So I buy the bearing, 2-piece, $850. You want to know where to buy? This is the invoice. This is the invoice. Kianho bearing or international bearings they sell. The price. Wait, call. GST C cup one. So it is $8.45. Right, this is a model number for the bearings. So I'm very upset about KDK. They are not giving you spare parts to repair, and they force you to buy a brand new ceiling fan. And if I'm going to buy, I'm not going to buy KDK anymore. Why would I want to let them, trying to rip us off? Why ceiling fan you don't want to keep parts? This is normal bearings that use in all your ceiling fans. Why you don't want to keep the spare parts? Huh? So I go to the hardware shop. The boss gave me one of these pipe so that I can knock the bearing back. This one free, right? Free. So I'm going to repair. Hopefully the fans will move again and in a good condition to last us, a consumer, for another, I don't know. So long it stop, break down, then I have to throw it away, right?
There you go. KDK don't want to let you buy the spare parts, so I repair it with a bearing, $9. Sound gone, mouse gone, fan working. Instead of listen to them, buying a new ceiling fan, right? It's working now. I'm not a pro, so it looks like the balancing off a little bit, but it still looks okay. Not shaking. Change to 2. No more sound. I think it's super irresponsible for KDK.